Preparation of financial statements. Understand the need for and purpose of financial statements. For management purposes, the financial statements are used by management to highlight areas of good practice and to find areas in the business that could benefit from improvement. For stewardship purposes, the financial statements show the providers of finance how the funds that they provided are being used. Are the funds being used wisely / is the finance being wasted? Benefits of preparing annual financial statements. Helps future planning / targets / goals. Decision making. Able to assess performance / comparisons. Valuation of assets, liabilities and capital. For tax purposes. To present to bank for additional finance. For characteristics of financial statements. Understandability, info. Should be capable of being understood by users / reasonable knowledge. Relevance, must be relevant and contain information that is able to influence the decisions of users. Reliability, must contain information that is a faithful representation of what has taken place. Comparability, users must be confident that they can compare data from one time period to another.